First this afternoon, we are getting a clearer picture of the next steps in the Madeline Kingsbury murder case this afternoon. This morning, an omnibus hearing was held for the man charged in the Winona mother's murder, Adam Fravel. As a reminder, we would like to provide you a timeline of the case leading up to his arrest. Madeline Kingsbury was first reported missing on March 31st. Her remains were found in rural Mabel on June 7th. Olmsted County search warrants released within the last few days show a potential financial motive for the killing. According to investigators, Kingsbury had been making payments on a townhome the two lived in at the time. They also discovered Kingsbury had a $170,000 death benefit from her employer that is believed Fravel or the children had access to. As investigation details come into clearer focus, we're also learning more about a potential timeline for the murder trial. Adam Fravel was in court this morning for an omnibus hearing. KIMT News 3's Max Haslow was in the courtroom and heard from Madeline Kingsbury's father about his reaction to today's developments.
Adam Fravel appeared in person for his long-awaited omnibus hearing. Proceedings were mainly focused on ensuring that the defense had everything it needed for a fair trial. Fravel's attorney, Zachary Bauer, confirmed the defense team received over 1,800 pages of transcripts from the grand jury on December 1st. However, they still need to see exhibits from the grand jury. This normally refers to evidence presented in court. Any pretrial motions need to be submitted to the court by January 19, 2024. This could include a request to move the trial out of Winona County. The prosecution and defense will then discuss these motions with the Winona County judge on March 19th and 20th. The court is now looking at formally beginning the trial in October or November.
We're willing to go the distance for as long as it takes to get justice for Madeline.
The omnibus hearing has been delayed several times from last summer to now. This is due in part to Fravel being charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in October, meaning the defense needed more time to look at the new charges. David Kingsbury, Madeline Kingsbury's father, tells me those additional charges made the wait more bearable.
We were certainly happy that the grand jury came back with the indictment bill that it did to enhance the charges and hopefully enhance the penalties. So waiting is never any fun, but it was worth the wait.
Fravel's mother, father, sister, and brother also attended the hearing. They declined to give any comments. In Winona, Max Haslow, KIMT News 3.
We also have an update on the custody case for Fravel and Kingsbury's 2 children. Fravel's parents have withdrawn their motion for custody of the children. Future hearings for the case have been canceled and the case has been closed.